Today we're exploring one of Pattia's most exciting and unique luxury hotels, the Grand Center Point Space Pattaya. If you've ever dreamed of staying in a futuristic, space-themed resort, complete with an incredible water park, luxury accommodation, and spectacular ocean views, then this hotel needs to be on your travel bucket list. Located in the peaceful Naklua district of North Pattaya, Grand Center Point Space enjoys an excellent position overlooking the Gulf of Thailand. This location offers the perfect combination of relaxation and convenience. Guests can enjoy a quieter atmosphere away from Pattaya's busiest streets while remaining close to shopping, beaches, restaurants, and the city's most popular attractions. The hotel is approximately 5 kilometers from Pattaya Walking Street, making it around a 15 to 20-minute drive, depending on traffic. That means you can spend your evenings exploring Pattaya's famous nightlife before returning to the comfort and tranquility of this remarkable resort. The biggest attraction is without a doubt its spectacular space-themed design. From the moment you arrive, you will feel as though you've stepped aboard a futuristic space station. The hotel features around 490 modern rooms and suites, many offering breathtaking views across Pattaya Bay. Every room combines stylish decor and modern technology, creating a fun yet luxurious atmosphere for families, couples, and groups alike. One of the highlights is the enormous Space Water Park, one of the largest hotel water parks in Thailand. Guests can enjoy thrilling water slides, a lazy river, splash zones, swimming pools, wave features, and interactive attractions, making it a paradise for families traveling with children. Even adults will find plenty of opportunities to relax while enjoying the beautiful landscape pools. The most popular season is November through February, when Pattaya enjoys warm sunshine, lower humidity, and comfortable temperatures ranging from 28 to 31 degrees Celsius. These months are ideal for enjoying the outdoor pools, nearby beaches, sightseeing, and all the resort's outdoor activities. Dining is another standout feature. Guests can choose from several restaurants serving Thai, Asian, and international cuisine, while the rooftop facilities offer stunning panoramic views across Pattaya, especially during sunset. Whether you're enjoying breakfast, lunch, or a romantic dinner, the dining experience is every bit as impressive as the hotel itself. There are plenty of attractions nearby. Terminal 21 Pattaya is just a short walk away and is one of Pattaya's most popular shopping centers. The magnificent Sanctuary of Truth is only a few minutes away, while Pattaya Beach, Central Pattaya, Mini Siam, Garden Paradise, and boat trips to the beautiful island of Koh Lan are all within easy reach. Grand Center Point Space consistently receives outstanding reviews from travelers around the world. Guests regularly praise the friendly staff, immaculate cleanliness, and space rooms, incredible facilities, outstanding breakfast buffet, and spectacular water park. Families especially love the endless activities for children, while couples appreciate the modern luxury and beautiful ocean views. Many visitors describe it as one of the best family friendly resorts in Thailand and say it exceeds expectations from the moment they arrive. If you're looking for a hotel that's unlike anything else in Pattaya, combining luxury, entertainment, and unforgettable experiences under one roof, Grand Center Point Space Pattaya is an exceptional choice. Whether you're planning a family friendly holiday, a romantic getaway, or simply want to experience one of Thailand's most unique resorts, this hotel promises memories that will last a lifetime. Without a doubt, this is a cool place. Absolutely insanely cool, in my opinion. And the water park slash swimming pool area looks amazing. This would be loved by children of all ages, at least in my opinion. It's a cool place. But let's get to some of the numbers, some of the important stuff. This is from Agoda, and I will leave the link to Agoda in the video description so you can check it out, get more information, or check out the prices on your dates, because we all know prices of hotels in Thailand, they change constantly. But looking 2 months ahead, right now I can book this hotel for 4,423 Thai baht per night. Of course, that is the cheapest room available. And before taxes, that works out to about 132 US dollars per night. The most important number, in my opinion, is the customer rating. What do other people think of this hotel? This hotel has been given a 9.3 out of 10 rating on Agoda, which is pretty amazing in my opinion. And that's with 23,213 reviews. That's a lot, especially for a hotel that's not very old. More than 23,000 reviews and still 9.3 out of 10. That's pretty amazing. All right, guys, there it is. As always, thanks for watching. If you're new here and you like these kind of videos, don't forget to subscribe before you leave. And I'll see you on the next one.